In this video, I will show you how to download and install Project Zomboid. Project Zomboid offers an immersive survival experience where every decision counts. Will you scavenge for supplies, fortify your hideout, or venture into the unknown? So let's begin downloading and installation process. First, we need to download the Steam app. Open your Google Chrome and search for store.steampowered.com. Link in description. Click on the Install Steam button on this page. Once you've done that, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the .exe file and open it. Complete the installation, and once finished, open your Steam app. In Store tab, click on Search bar on left top. In Search bar, type Project Zomboid, and in drop-down you will see the game. If not, check video in description. If you see the game in drop-down, click on the game. Right now this game is in early access stage. Now click on Add to Cart button. In new pop-up, click on View My Cart. Now in drop-down menu you have a few options. You can buy it privately so no data about this game is shown on your Steam profile, or even can gift this game to someone else. Let's leave this selection as it is. Now click on blue Continue to Payment button. In Payment Methods, select your preferred payment method and proceed. After you're done with payment, next steps I will show with game I already own. After completing the purchase, go to your library. You can use the search box to find game you just bought or navigate directly to the games category. Next step I will show on game I own. First, click on the game you want to play. Now click Install. Complete installation process. When installation completed, click to play, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and help reach 1,000 subscribers mark so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.